Welcome to the e-learning platform initiative by Science Park. This is for Standard 7. Topic is heat. Chapter number 14 from SSC board and chapter number 4 from ICSC board. Let us see which topics we will be covering here. देखते हैं sources of heat, effects of heat and transfer of heat mainly due to conduction. And after learning this, you are going to use your brain power.
We have two plates here. One is giving sensation of cold and another is giving of normal temperature. Now let us see whether this sensation is for us only or let us see. Let us keep rings on both the plates. Then we are going to put ice cubes on each plate. Let us observe what happens. If you see closely, the plate which was giving sensation of coldness, on that plate, ice is getting melted very fast than the another plate. Okay? Now, why this must be happening? ऐसा क्यों हो रहा है? वो तो ठंडी थी प्लेट, फिर भी उसके ऊपर का बर्फ जल्दी पिघल रहा है. ऐसा क्यों? Let us try to find out the answers.
ये बर्फ क्यों पिघल गया? Yes, there is effect of heat. But before that, let us see which are the sources of heat. Sun, which is natural source of heat. Then fire, that we know. And another is new source for you, that is electricity. Because of electricity also heat can be generated. We are going to see different experiments for that. अब ये उष्णता के परिणाम क्या है? What are the effects of heat? Let us see. Do you remember that first experiment when I kept ice cubes on two black colored plates? Yes, the ice was melting. Okay, that is because of heat. Then if we give heat to water, it starts boiling after some time. Now, if we reduce the heat or if we give less temperature, then you might have observed such kind of image on the window panes in winter season. If there is much cold, you might have seen this. But what happens to these electricity wires? Have you observed ever since these are like wagging? Let us try to find out those answers as well. Till now we have seen what happens because of heat. Heat की वजह से क्या होता है? अगर हीट ज़्यादा कर दी, कम कर दी, वो भी इफेक्ट्स हमने देख लिए. ये हीट कहाँ से आती है वो भी हमने देख लिया. Now we are going to see how this heat is getting transferred. So there are basic three ways of transfer of heat. One is conduction, another is convection and is radiation. So कौन से state of matter में किस टाइप से ये ट्रांसफर होता है we are going to see in detail.
Now let us try to understand the experiment of heat conductivity. Okay, I have one instrument like this. If you see, it looks like at the center there is some kind of bowl, okay, which has hole from the other side. Then it has three different holes, 1, 2, 3, from where rods are coming in. If you see in this close up, just see properly. Okay, now there are three rods made up of, at the center it is looking like little brownish or reddish, that is copper. Then one side it is little bit shiny, that is stainless steel. On the other side it is yellowish, that is brass. Now I have put 3 nails on these 3 rods with the help of wax, if you can see from the close-up. Okay. Now what is the distance of these 3 nails? Distance is equal 1 finger from the starting point of the rod. Okay. Now I will put spirit lamp for the experiment here. I will open this lid and I will just light up. Okay, and I will hold this instrument at the center. Now let us observe what happens. If you see, I am holding at the center, that means I am giving heat equally to all these 3 rods. Let us see which nail falls down first. Oh, something happened with the copper. The nail on the copper, if you see. Then at the brass. And now it is still there for stainless steel.
Let us play a game where we will understand how heat is getting transferred. Here, these kids are playing passing the parcel game. क्या होता है उसमें? जिसके हाथ में वो गिफ्ट रहता है या जो भी कोई चीज़ रहती है, he passes to next person. As soon as music stops, जिसके पास होगा उसको कुछ पनिशमेंट मिलती है या उसने कुछ एक्टिविटी करनी रहती है, right? So likewise, if this boy is passing the gift to this girl or his friend, in that case, she is immediately next to that boy. Whereas this boy will not throw this gift to next girl. Likewise, heat is also getting transferred from जो एकदम नज़दीक में है उसके पास पहले जाएगी, फिर उसके बाद जाएगी, फिर उसके बाद. Likewise, it goes on from the source where we are giving the heat. Okay? So boy जो है उसके पास वो हीट का सोर्स है. Let us understand like this. वो नेक्स्ट गर्ल को देगा, नेक्स्ट गर्ल उसके नेक्स्ट गर्ल को. Likewise, this goes on. लेकिन अंदर क्या होता है? Atoms are always vibrating. They are connected with some kind of bond. वो किसी बंधे से बंधे हुए हैं. Okay? So those are vibrating. वो आसानी से टूटते नहीं है. Okay? So those are like springs. One is stationary if we consider, then another is moving continuously. लेकिन ये टूटता नहीं है. इसीलिए सॉलिड ये सॉलिड रहता है, वो कभी टूटता नहीं है. जब बहुत हीट देते हैं या बहुत कुछ हम उसे ब्रेक करने की कोशिश करते हैं तभी जाके ये टूटता है. सो दिस इज हाउ हीट इज गेटिंग ट्रांसफर्ड. दे आर जस्ट मूविंग और हियर वी से वाइब्रेटिंग अराउंड देयर मीन पोजिशन. जो बीच की पोजिशन है उसके अराउंड ही वो आगे पीछे होते हैं. अब यह कंडक्शन हम क्यों सीखे, उसके एप्लीकेशंस क्या है? लाइक यू सी हियर फॉर आयरनिंग, नीचे जो रहता है वो हमेशा मेटल रहता है. और क्या है? यस, प्रेशर कुकर, राइट? आप प्रेशर कुकर के बर्तन को ऐसे ही पकड़ के उठा के बाजू में रख देते हैं? नो, दिस इज नॉट पॉसिबल. सिमिलरली सच काइंड्स ऑफ स्पून्स और अदर मटेरियल यू माइट बी सीइंग एट योर किचन. Use your brain power. Explain how heat is conducted in solids from one end to another end.